Welcome to Expose AI, where we uncover the fascinating, sometimes unsettling ways artificial intelligence is shaping our world. Today we dive into one of the most controversial and polarizing topics of our time, AI in warfare. Stick around, because what you're about to hear might just change the way you think about the future of conflict, ethics, and humanity itself. If you want more thought-provoking content like this, hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment. I will personally respond to everyone. Let's start with the basics. AI in warfare isn't just science fiction anymore. It's a very real and rapidly evolving force on the battlefield. From November 2024 to now, we've seen advancements that were once unimaginable. Autonomous drones, enhanced surveillance systems, and AI-powered cyber defense tools are no longer experimental. They're being deployed actively. Take, for example, the latest developments in swarming drones. These are fleets of AI-driven drones that operate collaboratively, like a hive mind, to overwhelm enemy defenses. Just 2 months ago, reports emerged of tests conducted by major powers, showcasing these drones' ability to adapt in real time to battlefield conditions. This means no human operator is required to micromanage them. They make their own decisions. Sounds efficient, right? But here's the twist. What happens when these systems malfunction or fall into the wrong hands? The potential for catastrophic outcomes is staggering. Enter the world of lethal autonomous weapon systems, or LAWs. These are weapons that can identify, target, and neutralize threats without human intervention. Some argue that LAWs reduce human casualties on the battlefield. After all, why send soldiers into harm's way when machines can do the dirty work? But here's the controversy. Who decides who lives and who dies? If an AI misinterprets its data, or if its algorithms are biased, innocent civilians could pay the price. In December 2024, a leaked report revealed troubling incidents during a classified operation. Allegedly, an AI-operated system misidentified civilians as hostile forces, leading to collateral damage. While governments remain tight-lipped, whistleblowers warn that these incidents are just the tip of the iceberg. What's your take on this? Let us know in the comments below. Should we trust machines with life and death decisions? While physical weapons grab the headlines, cyber warfare is where AI's true power lies. AI tools are now being used to identify vulnerabilities in enemy systems, predict cyber attacks, and even launch preemptive strikes. Imagine AI detecting a nation's power grid weakness and neutralizing it before an attack even happens. Powerful, right? But here's the catch. AI can also be weaponized by adversaries. Just last month, an AI-driven ransomware attack targeted critical infrastructure in a major city, causing widespread outages. While details remain classified, cybersecurity experts warn that this is a wake-up call. AI in cyber warfare isn't just a defensive tool, it's also a weapon. Let's talk ethics. The deployment of AI in warfare raises profound moral questions. Should there be international agreements regulating its use? How do we ensure accountability when something goes wrong? The United Nations recently debated a moratorium on autonomous weapons, but as of January 2025, no consensus has been reached. Powerful nations argue that banning AI in warfare would put them at a disadvantage. Smaller nations, on the other hand, worry about the imbalance of power. It's an arms race, and no one wants to be left behind. The conversation isn't just happening in boardrooms. In December, thousands of scientists, ethicists, and AI developers signed an open letter urging governments to pause and rethink the unchecked militarization of AI. Yet military budgets for AI projects continue to skyrocket. So, what does the future hold? Some experts predict a fully autonomous battlefield where AI systems handle everything, from strategy to execution. Others warn of the risk of AI-triggered conflicts that escalate beyond human control. It's a double-edged sword. AI has the potential to reduce human suffering in war, but it also has the power to make wars more devastating than ever before. And what about the human factor? Will soldiers become obsolete, or will we see a hybrid approach, where humans and AI work together? One thing is certain, the role of AI in warfare is only going to grow. Be sure to jump on this next video about love, lust, and algorithms. Are AI sex bots redefining intimacy? And if you found this video eye-opening, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep this crucial conversation going. Thanks for watching Expose AI. See you next time as we continue to uncover the future of artificial intelligence. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead. Knowledge is power.